how to change your age on TikTok on Android. This tutorial shows you how to update your age on your TikTok account. First, open the TikTok app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap on the three lines at the top right to open the menu. At this point, tap on Settings and Privacy. In the next step, tap on Account. From there, tap on Account Information to open your account details. At this stage, look for Date of Birth and tap on it. Following this, update your date of birth to the correct one and tap Save to confirm. Once done, keep in mind that TikTok only allows you to change your birthday a limited number of times, so make sure the details you enter are correct before saving. From here, if the birthday option is grayed out or not editable, it means TikTok has locked your age. This usually happens if your account was registered as under 13. At this stage, if your age is locked, the only way to fix it is to contact TikTok support directly. Go back to Settings and Privacy, scroll down and tap on Help Center, and then tap on Report a Problem to submit a request. Following this, describe your issue clearly and provide any relevant details. TikTok support will review your request and update your age if everything checks out. Finally, if the issue still isn't resolved, go ahead and contact them directly. And that's it. If this guide helped you change your age on TikTok, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.